Good morning. Today, our learning objective in maths is all around introducing and learning to use our multiplication symbol. Now, we covered this in a lot of detail last year, but because we've had such a big gap in our learning, I think it's really important that we go over the basics again to then build back up to the level where we are, just to make sure that we're all secure and we're all confident. So this symbol here, our mathematical symbol, our multiplication symbol, we also need to know the associated vocabulary. So when we're talking about the multiplication symbol, we're also talking about lots of, groups of, multiplied, repeated addition, because as we learnt yesterday, there's a really clear link there, and how many times. So this symbol, our multiplication symbol, is what we're going to introduce today. Now, we're going to introduce it in a way that links it to our repeated addition from yesterday's learning. So, for example, using these counters, I'm going to make some groups, equal groups of 3. Using something concrete and practical is always a really good way to start, and it really helps with understanding. So here I can see I have one group of 3. So I have 1 multiplied by 3 or times by 3, and the answer is 3. For this question, if I was to do a repeated addition, I would just have the number 3 because I don't need to add anything to that. I've only got one set of 3. In the next question, or the next group, sorry, should I say, you can see we've got 2 groups of 3 or 2 lots of 3. So we can write the multiplication sentence for that, which would be 2 times 3. And we can either count up our groups of 3 or count in our 3's to get the answer of 6. Our repeated addition this time that matches the same display, the same visual representation, would be 3 plus 3 equals 6. So there you can clearly see the link between the multiplication and the repeated addition. I hope this is helpful today. And if you have any questions on this idea or this concept, please get in touch and let me know. Thank you.